Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean. So this is Arianna, and we're going to see if we can catch a fish today because
Mommy wants fish, and we're gonna give her fish for supper tonight.
and we trying to see if we could catch fish fast before this weather coming in here. So we're trying to see if we could beat this weather here. So here they walking down here. So let's see if we're good to catch a fish now before the weather takes us. So let's get going. So guys, check out the weather, it's coming.
We're under a real tight deadline here with the weather. Look at that weather, it's coming.
I already have a 30 loads. The beach is so nice. So guys, he's trying to beat Mother Nature here. So we rushing to get to the river before that rain hits. It's coming. It's coming in a big way.
So guys, it's raining and it's just me and Darius here because it's actually raining tacos, not water. It's raining tacos. Mommy and Daddy's right up there. And she was laughing at us because we was getting wet. No, Daddy's telling us to run, which will never happen.
Alright, it looks a lot clearer now than it did before. That's a good thing. It's still not the clearest in the world.
So guys, here we are. This is the river here. And there's the rain. It's falling, it's falling. So you're hoping to catch what you say?
Let's get a good boucher, and the last time I was in here I did see some very nice looking snapper.
Good luck.
I'm gonna walk up to you. Here you come. It's a little clearer up here.
So what he's saying is, it's very murky, he can't really see anything. He hasn't even seen a fish yet, so he's going to walk up a little higher up and see if he can see anything. This is the weather we're facing here, but it's not so bad. The rain is blowing away. The beach right there on the other side here. Isn't it great to be a kid? They're playing with sand. And there's David coming back there, right there. Don't think he got to see anything.
But I have another way to catch fish. No, Mom. Not beat yet. We're not beat yet. Harry, where'd you put the glasses?
Time for round 2.
Time for round
Are you waiting for your father glasses?
Alright, well, let's try round 2 here.
Come with me and play more. I want to fish with Daddy. I want to fish.
Ooh, big fisherman here, eh? Little challenge with the fisherman.
I want to beat Daddy.
What? You can never beat your father. Oh, God, boy. Huh? No, yeah, you let yourself do all the work for you. already? You're busting. How'd you get mud in your hair, boy?
You don't need to know. Nope, too far.
Bring on, see?
No, I can do it, mommy.
Harry, can you pass me my glasses? I can't see a thing here. You know, I'm blind like a old man here. I can't let boy beat me.
I'm not on your team, though.
You're not on my team? Whose team are you on?
No, I'm on your team.
Oh, we have teams, do we?
Yeah.
You better help your teammate because he's struggling.
But where is it in the bulletin? I don't have any.
No.
I don't have any.
You already kind of gave me up. I thought you were on my team, girl. And you just traded me in.
I am.
Nah, too late.
Mommy on Darius team again, right, Mommy?
No, I don't want. No. You chose your brother over your father.
No, I didn't.
You chose your twin over your father.
Okay, well, I'll be doing this. Wow.
Doesn't matter. You almost got yourself stabbed here, girl. Watch this first fish of the day coming up, Darius.
Oh, God, help me now.
Let me help you. Come on. Hold
I
it.
know it's that. Why
Hold it.
did I pick you as my team and move? It's that. Look, it's up onto something.
What?
The string is up onto something.
Oh, you fix
What
that.
do? Look at the old man going trying to catch fish. Yeah, he's going to. Now we're coming back up here. Oh, we just got it. We need bait. Okay, which one? This one? No. This one?
Where you catching? A Goliath?
Fine. I'm not on your team, so I'm not helping you. This one, mommy. This one. How about this one, mommy? Too big?
Why does it seem so hard to pull up?
Oh, find another one. How about this? Where is? I can't find. Oh look, I find a toolbox. Okay, so I found a toolbox. Now I need to open it. Okay, yeah, nothing there. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you're trying to tell me I'm good at fishing, don't say I'm good at fishing. I'm not good in fishing, I'm excellent in fishing. Mommy, how about this? How about this?
Just not that.
I don't know what I would choose then. The only one I know is to choose. Let me choose it. I'm gonna chop off my hand, you know. Just give me a second. I need to fix this.
That big one you want?
What? Too big? Fine.
It's a little froggy now.
Ooh.
Sorry for these things.
No, we take a little froggy. Let me take a little froggy. Too big. Too big. Not too big.
Trying. Pull this.
Look at the old man over there suffering. Look at you, she begging for help when she could do it herself. When she could do it herself. You're struggling. Loser, you're struggling.
Boy, I already had 2 bites. More than you.
Yeah, because I still setting up.
What?
My teammate here now, she's not that good at fishing. Your team is doing nothing. Yeah, stuff. How am I supposed to do stuff? Guys, so we're looking stuff all, but it's not working. I see. Okay. We got it. Look at that. Oh, look, we got it.
Just now wait.
They're working hard on you now. Hold this, mommy.
So Darius' turn now. That's it. Be real slack, yeah?
You want that? How's embarrassing?
Arianna, leave him.
I'm going to look for a crab to put on you.
So they didn't succeed at spearfishing, so now they have a rod and they're going to do casting the rod to see if they could catch anything. Nice cast, Darius. We can't see that fire.
Mommy, all I got for you right now, you said you wanted fish? The only thing I got for you is a taste of fish. The only reason I kept him, because he swallowed the darn hook so bad, I couldn't get it out without killing him. But at least it's a nice little pan fry for you, and you know, better than nothing. Although it's about the same size as nothing. Oh! God. Fishing ain't easy, you know.